So you need a platform, you need a website, you need a landing page. We're going to go and show you a number of small episodes of how to create a website using themes on the various different platforms, WordPress, Shopify, etc. But let's have a little high-level conversation around what are the things you need to gather and get ready for your website or landing page. So let's be clear here. It could be that you might outsource your website and landing page. You still need to get a bunch of collateral ready, or you may choose to create this yourselves, and that's what we're going to show you how to do. So what are the things, what's the collateral, what's the resources you need to gather to put in place so that you can implement into your website or landing page? Well, clearly you need to have established your brand, what colors, what font, what types of imagery, etc. The thing that you need to understand is also your audience. What is the pain point that you are solving for them so that your website or landing page can speak to that? So you need to have done your client avatars or profiles. You need to consider the color palette of your landing page or website. You need to consider the calls to action that you're going to have on there. Can you gather some testimonials from people who you might have trialed a product with, or they may be existing clients? How are they going to find you? You're going to have a contact form, a shopping cart on your website or landing page. Would highly recommend that. You need to have your links to your social platforms. So just visualize the things that you would want to have on your website and document what those things will be. It might be a wireframe, for want of a better word, for your landing page or website, which we can provide you with some designs. But you need to have all those things ready, even if either you're going to do it or you're going to outsource it. So let's run through those again. How are they going to find you? What's the call to action? What's the pain point you are solving? What's your price point? Will you have a shopping cart on your landing page or website? What's the buttons? What are the buttons going to say? Inquire now, buy now, those sort of things. Think about that. What language will you use? What keywords will you weave through there? And start gathering your images, start gathering your videos if that's what you need. That's all the stuff that you need to have in play. We're going to deep dive into that in some other episodes for you and really look at them in fine detail so that you can either outsource it effectively or you can implement yourself.